Today, I'll walk you through how to get Excel data into Power BI Desktop, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to import your Excel data so you can create insightful reports and visualizations. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI Desktop application. This is your canvas where all the magic happens. Think of it as the stage for your data performance. Once you have the dashboard open, look for the Home tab at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find various icons and options. Click on the Excel Workbook icon. This action is like opening a door to your data treasure chest. It allows you to access the information stored in your Excel files. Now a File Explorer window will pop up. Browse your computer to find the Excel file you want to import. This file can be in either XLSX or XLS format. Once you locate it, click on Open. After that, the Navigator window will appear. This window is crucial as it displays all the sheets, tables, and named ranges in your selected Excel file. It's like a map guiding you through your data landscape. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The functionality remains the same. Next, you'll see a list of sheets and tables. Check the box next to the tables or sheets you want to load into Power BI. This step is essential as it allows you to select only the data you need, keeping your workspace organized and efficient. Now you have a choice to make. You can either choose Load, which directly loads the raw data into your Power BI data model, or Transform Data, which is recommended. Selecting Transform Data opens the Power Query Editor, where you can clean headers, fix date formats, or remove any blank rows before loading. Think of this as preparing your ingredients before cooking a meal. It ensures everything is just right. Once you've made your selections and adjustments, you're ready to dive into the world of Power BI. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.